Here at Discount Hydraulic Hose, we get a lot of questions about our products. Today, we're going to answer some of your top FAQs. Let's see what you guys have.
Braided hose fittings versus W series versus 43 and 71 series. When choosing hydraulic hose fittings, it's essential to match the fitting with your application and equipment. Braided hose ends are the standard option for most 1 and 2 wire hoses. They're ideal for standard pressure and versatile across various uses. For higher pressure applications, consider using W series hydraulic hose fittings, also called bite-to-wire fittings. These bite-to-wire fittings grip the steel wire reinforcement for added durability, making them perfect for 2 and 4 wire hoses. If you're working with Parker branded hoses or crimpers, you'll need 43 or 71 series fittings. The 43 series works similar to the W series, while the 71 series is specialized for high pressure and used with most 4 and 6 wire hoses. Choose the right fitting for your needs to ensure safety, durability, and optimal performance.
Thanks for watching our FAQ video. Be sure to check out our site for our selection of over 15,000 parts. If you have any more questions, our team is ready to help via phone, chat, or email. We'll see you next time.